friends, welcome back to my channel Swathi Ganesh Creations. I hope all of you are doing great and are being safe. In today's video I am going to share with you guys my new living room tour. I have brought some different products for my living room, so I thought of sharing with you guys those products, as well as I'm going to give a review on a specific product. It's the Miniso candles. I was looking for scented candles for a long period of time, and I recently came through them in Miniso, and I bought some few scented candles from here, and I thought of sharing the review with you guys. And these candles are not only looking pretty and also smell very nice. So when some guests are going to come in, you can lit these candles and the guests are going to absolutely love it. So let me show you guys some of the candles which I got. So you can see this is one of them. This is Miniso scented candles and the flavor is lemongrass, you can see. So the smell is really very like, it's not too strong, it's very mild. So you can see even the jar is looking so beautiful, the color. Next candle I got here is Miniso apple shake. So you can see this is also very mild. The smell is really very pleasant, and you can see it comes with this beautiful teal jar. So you just remove this and lit the candle. Smells so good. And the next one is this Miniso Inkjet series scent candles vanilla latte, and you can see this one is going to come in a grey jar. Look at that. Smells so good. You guys must try these. If you guys are looking for some scented candles, do try them out, and I'm sure you guys are going to absolutely love them, especially your guests. And I also got one more thing. This actually comes with a reed diffuser. So this is like polar night candle. So you can see this also comes with the reeds. So you can see the scent, candle and the reed. So I am going to use these products as well in my living room tour today. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video, guys. So as you guys know, I don't have a big foyer area, mine is really very small. So I have just hung this painting and used a command hook to hang these bells. And on this side I have just used a green mat on which I have placed this candlelight holder which I got from IKEA. I have some problem with my IKEA video which I'm trying to sort it out, and I will soon release that video. And I have placed a Miniso candle inside this tea light holder, and here you can see I have used a stand and placed an indoor plant, and this Buddha you would have seen in most of my videos. And these candles are really smelling heavenly. I got the small antique type box in a shop near my home for placing keys and all, some important keys. And here you can see my love Alexa. I have showed how I transform my showcase area in my previous video. If you guys want, I'll link the link in the description box below and you guys can check it out. And this side has one big update. I have changed a big furniture here. So you can see this is my favorite Talayattu Bomme. Ting. And here I have placed a floor lamp and some plant indoor plant, and you can see this is one new furniture which I recently purchased. I actually got it directly from the vendor. The vendor is also available on Amazon. I'll give the link in the description box below, as well as the contact number. You can check them out. And I have placed the statue and an indoor plant over here. And these cushions I already had. I hope you guys remember. I just used them over here. And here you can find my favorite lamp. I have retained this shelf and the decors as such. You can see I have used some red and orange widely in the living room currently. So you can see even the cushion covers are red and orange. These cushion covers I got from Amazon. The red ones I already had. The orange one I bought recently. And on the wall I have retained the masks, and I have used this painting. I hope you guys remember this one, which I did in my living room transformation. I have just hung it over here like this. And this chair I have moved it over here. And this cushion cover I got it long back from Home Stop. I just love the cushion cover. And on the center table I have used this plant which I got from IKEA. And this tray is from Shilpa Raman, Hyderabad. I got it for 300 rupees. And you can see I have lit a Miniso candle here, and it's smelling heavenly. And I have used a small decor piece. And even on the dining table I have added a Miniso candle. And you can see I have changed the wordings to positive vibes. And this tissue paper holder I got from IKEA. I just love it. So I have retained the same decor which I used in my previous video in the center of this dining table. And this side you can find this cow head, and I have lit some Miniso candles in this candlelight holders. As I told you guys, I have widely used orange, red and some green and blue in my living space. So you can see I have changed the curtains to these Shopper's Fortune and the burnt orange, and this cute hanging here I got from IKEA. And these Shopper's Fortune curtains are my absolute favorite. Both the curtains are going well with each other. So do let me know what you guys think about the transformation in the comment section below. And on this side, you guys will remember there is an arch. And some few shelves are here where I have retained the same decor that I did in my previous video. I hope I showed you guys last time itself that I have changed this light to this bamboo I have just converted a bamboo basket into a hanging like this, and these two shelves I have used here where I have just kept these dolls. I hope you guys would have liked today's video, and if you guys are looking for scented candles, don't forget to check the description also for few details about them. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends and family. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you get the notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. Stay home, stay safe.